Hello. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do an animal balloon flower. You will be needing a balloon pump, a 260 balloon color of your choice. I'm going to be using pink. And another 260 balloon color of your choice, which I'm going to be using green. This is going to be a 4-petal flower. And before we get started, I just want to mention that you can purchase these balloons and this pump in my shop, and the link is below. Also, these videos are not monetized, so you could do me a great favor by smashing that like and subscribe button for me. So let's get started. We're going to start with the flower petals with this pink balloon. And again, this is a 4-petal flower. I'm going to blow it up pretty much all the way, letting out some air in the front and tying. And then on this end, I'm going to squeeze so that we end up with a small amount of tail here. And I'm also going to squeeze just to soften up this end. And then we're going to tie these two ends together. Now I'm going to take this balloon and press it in half like this, sort of like a bow. And then I'm going to twist it in half. And now I'm going to take this and I'm going to twist it in half again. And twist these. And this gives us our petals. Okay, now I'm going to take my green balloon and I'm going to blow this up, leaving a little bit of a tail here. I'm going to let out some air here, and we want to leave a tail here. Okay, I'm going to take this and fold it like this, and I'm going to twist here in the center. And we get this. Now I'm going to twist a small bubble at the top here, and I'm going to squeeze that air so that it goes up to the top of the balloon. Then I'm going to take this and wrap it around a few times, and we get our beautiful flower. Now I like to put a smiley face. This is optional, of course, but I'm just going to put some eyes. And we have a smiley. Thanks for watching, and again, please press that like and subscribe button. Have a wonderful day.